She can handle them.
I'm Steve, by the way.
And yeah, Marcus Mullen. Whose kid is yours again?
Zachary, he's one of the new kids. Another Zachary.
Yeah. Maybe the second one.
You guys live in Brooklyn?
Mark.
Oh no, they're saying a different time. Okay. Come on, boys.
Let's go, boys.
Give you a hard time, you have to call me over, right?
Let's do this, Bolts.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Come on, you guys. In case somebody comes flying, kids.
Oh, no worries at all. You adhere to your request.
I said we're going backwards.
That's it, Nathan.
Come to it, Adrian.
Well done, Thomas.
Easy, easy.
I'm going
Easy, guys, easy.
Nice, Aiden.
Come on, first to it, Tristan. Come on, honey. Yeah, good job.
Keep it in, keep it in.
Right now, now. Finish.
Woo!
Come on, Aiden.
Oh, nice try.
Guys, we can do this. Let's go. Relax. That was a nice movement. Relax, boys. Finish nice and easy.
I'm inquisitive by nature.
You only got 25 minutes. Let's go.
No.
Yeah, Coach John is here.
Very vocal.
Yeah, he wouldn't miss this.
Yeah.
They have the same.
No, it's like do your thing.
Good job, Machu. Yes, Anthony.
Go, Anthony. Go.
Oh, come on.
First one.
Come on, Mason. Yes, Thomas.
Pressure.
Nice. Man. Oh, it's okay.
Relax, boys. Focus, boys. Focus. Keep it all there. You guys are doing amazing. Win it. No foul.
Come on, guys. Come on, Matteo. Come on, Matteo. Cut him off. Yes, Anthony.
And Mateo.
Good run. Force him out. Nice.
Send it.
Tristan is here. Oh, gosh.
Come on now, Nicholas.
Come on, Adrian.
You got this, Thomas. Don't let him turn, Thomas. There we
Okay.
go, Thomas. Well done.
Good job.
Well done, Aiden.
Come on, boys.
Don't let them through.
Nice, Thomas.
No turn.
Okay, red ball.
Well done, red team. Let's go.
Pepe, diagonal, Pepe, hijo.
Man!
Diagonal, ya el arco.
Just win it back, boys. No foul. Just win it back. No foul, just win it back.
White ball.
No foul, boys, just win it back. Win it back. First to the ball.
Get it out. Oh, come on, Tristan.
Get it out of there, boys. Come on.
Oh, come on.
Who's there? Come on. Come on, then. Go, go, go. Go. Set the tone in the first 5 minutes. Come on. Hello. Good morning.
Who's there?
Who's there?
Oh, nice try, Thomas.
Unlucky Thomas, good try. It's gonna be a long ball, boys. Be first to the ball. With that.
He's like, somebody
On
told
the
you.
touch.
And I
No
said,
turn.
somebody told me. I'm just wondering.
Yes, Mateo. Yes, Mateo. No, no.
Stay on him.
Nice.
Tristan.
Go, Mason! Nacho!
You got him, Mason.
Nice.
Tris.
Oh, come on.
Come on, Tris.
Here, Thomas is here. Oh, no.
Come on, guys.
Keep going, buddy.
Come on, face that ball and be first to that ball. Get that ball. Who's there? Well done, Mason.
Come on, Mateo. Come on, Mateo.
He needs help down there, not just Mateo. Come on, Anthony.
Anthony came all the way from front to the back to track back. Come on, boys. Don't stop, don't stop. Good job, guys.
Come on, boys. We gotta finish when we get close to that net.
Good job, Aiden. Huh?
I know. So when they go to tournament,
Nacho!
they get
Oh.
Let's go, Red.
Once you enter, go past field 1 and 4, then
Be with that early, Red.
Hmm.
Come on, let's go, Red.
Oh, no. No, too much. Oh, it's a ball. Yeah.
Come on, we got this. Let's finish this, boys. Let's go.
But Uncle turned around and wanted to go back out. I'm like, where are you going?
Over now.
I don't know, man. I thought that was pretty
And I said,
Oh, you already said offside.
we got it here.
Either Tristan or Nathan.
Long ball again to that 99 kid. Come on.
Nice.
We're winning the ball. We need to finish. Come on, Nathan.
Watch runner.
Come on, Nathan. Come on, guys. Let's go, Thomas, for a rebound. on, Tristan. Let's go, Tristan.
Oh, come on, guys. Come on, Nacho. Nice, Mateo.
Well done, Mateo.
Yes, Nick. Come on,
Go
Nathan.
run, Nathan. You can do this. Go, Nathan. Help him
Oh,
out.
gosh. Nice.
Come on.
No.
It's coming, boys. Keep it up. Ready to meet that ball. Well done,
Yes, Nick Mason. Oops. Red ball.
Let's go, Ants. Come on, Anthony.
Oh, take it in. Yeah. Oh. Oh, nice try. Good ball, Anthony.
Try, boys.
Good job, boys. Oh, no.
Lovely try, boys. It's coming. Just be quick.
Oh. Nathan, go for it.
Leave it, leave it.
Nice. Good job, Tristan.
Good job, Tristan.
Come on, boys. Make it happen.
We got this, boy. Relax. Let's go.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, Mateo.
that was a good ball.
Honestly.
Somebody had to just hit that in, man. Point is finishing. Today, we're, I guess, the early morning.
Yeah.
So that should have been finished. We're getting too much chances.
Yes, waiting. Jack.
Pass it over to Thomas, man.
Oh, no. Come on, Mason. On him, Mason.
On him, slow him down.
Nice.
There we go. Slow him down.
Good job, Jack. Okay, out. Leave it. Red ball.
Drop red.
Wow.
Yes, Nathan. No, send it.
Nathan, send it, Nathan.
Oh,
Come on, let it kick, guys.
oh my
Over the
God.
goalie, boys. Come on.
Get going.
Nice, Nacho.
Come on, Jack.
Oh, God. Okay.
Good job, Caden.
Fast to the ball, Tristan.
Tristan, pass it.
He has to wait. Run him, Thomas.
You can beat him, Thomas.
Oh,
Well done,
nice, Thomas.
Nice try, Thomas. Be first
Long
to the
ball.
boys.
Oh,
Okay, unlucky, Mateo. It's okay.
come on, Nacho. Okay. Oh, our ball. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, you got the lineman there.
No, it was already out when he kicked it out. It was already out when he kicked it out. Oh, God. Come on, Nicholas.
Because we have so many chances. Come on, boys.
Good job, Tristan. Quickly pass it, Thomas.
Nathan. Well done, boys. Go, Nathan.
No, he can't. He can't. He
Keep
can't.
pressing.
But you can confuse. Yes, Tristan. Oh,
Come on, Tristan.
don't stop.
You gotta follow through, Tristan.
Come on, Mason. Yes. Yes, Nacho.
Good job, boys. Come on, Nathan.
Oh gosh, that was good.
Good job, Nacho.
Good job, Nacho.
Well done, Nacho.
Wake up, defenders. Come on.
Don't let 99
Come on, Aiden. Nice. Come on, Mateo. Come on, Anthony. Nice. Okay. Oh, no. Come on, Jack!
Be first to the ball, boys. You got him, Thomas. I know you got him.
Good. Good job, Thomas.
It's got to be fit so you can run across the field real quick.
Get it out. Woo, come on! Get it out, boys! That's it, Nick.
Good job, Nathan.
Red
Good
ball.
pressure. Stop putting ourselves in those crazy positions, though. Let's go, boys.
Ah, isn't it red ball? Oh, come on. It's okay.
Like twice and we haven't subbed yet.
Come on, boys. Nice.
Tell me that's gonna be it.
Out.
Let's get it together, boys.
Relax, Nathan. Oh, no.
Come on, Nathan, don't run left the ball. Come on, Nathan! Oh, gosh, Nathan.
Yes.
Come on, Nicholas! I think you gotta try shoot from there.
Oh, no. Come on. Nice, Thomas.
Thanks for saving us, Thomas.
Good job. Take it, take it, take it. Yes! Woo! Woo, 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 woo!
That is it, Nathan! Well done, boys!
Good job.
Okay, let them know. No, relax. Get the shot! Go!
Who's there? Nick? Yes, Mason.
Well done, Mason.
Who's on him? Who is on him here?
Who is on number 19? Come on, guys. Don't let him turn. Come on,
John.
Oh!
That's okay.
Yes,
Well done,
Nathan.
Well done, Nathan. Well done, boys.
Oh, Nathan! I mean, Tristan! Oh, no. Nice ball, Anthony.
Interesting.
Oh.
Hey, boys.
Let's go, boys. Unlucky.
Unlucky. That's okay. Relax.
Mason! That's yours. Oh, come on, boys. Don't let him. Nice. It's okay.
Well done, boys. It's okay, Thomas. I know you didn't meant to get that far, but it's okay. Tristan got all excited in the net.
No, it's probably wrongful. Ah! Oh,
It's a
no.
long ball. Be ready for it, boys. Face that ball. Be first to that ball.
Yes, Jack.
Back in the net. Back in the net.
Jack.
Who's there? Who's there?
Nice.
In the net.
Come on, Tristan.
Should've got that, Tristan.
Yes, Thomas. Yes, Jack. Yes, Jack. Nice.
Come on, Tris. Tristan. Don't
Come on.
manage you. Good job.
Oh, no. Mateo.
Good try, Tristan.
Send it, Mateo. Oh, not again. Oh.
Great try, boys.
Good job, boys.
It's coming again, boys. Great job. Keep up the intensity.
Nacho, thank you. Anthony.
Well done, Anthony.
Yep.
Good job, Anthony.
Send it. Oh, it's okay, unlucky.
That's fine. That's okay.
What? Mason. Good job, Mason.
Okay, retrieve it for Mason.
Nice,
If you didn't
Nacho.
get it, somebody
Who's
else
there?
got it.
Good job, Nathan. Come on, not in there.
Nick. Finish!
Oh, good job, Mateo. Nice, man. Nice. Come on, Anthony.
Over now, Anthony. Because they're going to feel
Yep, send it. Corner. What?
It's not corner.
Oh my gosh.
I don't like this referee. What was that?
Foster ball, boys. Yes, Mateo.
Well done, Mateo.
Landed on the thingy.
Move, guys.
Isn't it 2:25? Isn't it time?
Ooh, yes, Tristan.
Come on, Tristan. Move that ball. Good ball. Win it back. Win
Yes,
it back,
Tristan.
Tristan. Keep him there.
Come on, Luke. Come on, Luke.
Thank you. Referee, I mean, last man's up. Whose ball is it? Oh, this guy, this referee.
I don't like this referee.
Oh my goodness.
Thomas, you can do this. I know you can. You can do it all by yourself, bud.
Be careful.
Oh,
Almost. Well done, Thomas. Good job, Tom.
come on, Nacho.
Slow him down, Ignacio.
Oh, it's okay.
Get up there.
That's okay, boys. Nothing to see down there. Get a rebound. Get it out early, boys. Early out.
Get it out.
Get out. Early out, no turns.
Hey, Drew.
There we go. Up with it. Up.
Get back.
Go, go.
Get in the middle. Get in the middle.
Middle.
No pass.
Finish.
Yes.
Yeah.
Woo! Good job, boys. Woo! Yep. Good pass. Good play, boys.
It's a goal.
Why is he asking it? Just flag up for anything.
Yeah.
Doesn't have to ask him.
Well done, boys.
Fight, boys. Fight right. Come on.
It's 0-0 right. Let's go. Intensity.
Tomas, come on, get that ball. Tomas, come on, boys. Nice. Tristan, don't lose it. Nice. Don't lose it. Okay. Red ball. This ref is killing me. Good job, boys. Yeah, the first 25 minutes.
Because of the tournament.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I thought. It's 5 minutes over. What is Leandro talking about?
Huh? Yeah. Steve, you want me to blow you a kiss? You're not waving. Come on, wave to my camera. Thank you, George. Thank you. Hey, guys. Woo. And our supporters, Ethan, Cruz, Nico, and Jonathan's brother. Ryan. Yeah. Got you. Thank you. Colin, where's your mom? Right there. Oh, okay.
Yeah, she's the one who posts them on YouTube. If she's not,
Yes, guys.
you better not take no vacation for you.
Come on, boys. I love Thornhill. Yep.
Have you guys played anywhere else beforehand? Or?
Oh, yes, yes.
It feels different. I've been through it. I've talked to people who've been through it. There's mixed feelings. There's more. They only do development during the winter.
Juve.
Yeah.
Come on, boys.
Get scholarship if
Some people find it.
exactly.
Come on,
Now
boys.
it's finding, but you put yourself.
Come on, boys.
Let's go, boys. 0-0.
Come on, boys.
You're born ready, bro. Let's go. On it, Anthony.
It's okay.
Well done, Anthony.
Nacho is here. Okay. Nice. Jack! Tomas! Come on, Mason! Come on, Nacho! Come on, Nacho! Put your foot to it, that's it! Run in. That's it. Out. It's okay. Nice. Come on, Jack.
Over in there.
Yep.
Back in there.
Nice. Come on, Mateo. Yes. Man. Oh. Out.
Out. It was out.
Unlucky.
Behind him, Anthony.
You want to win fairly. You don't cheat.
Aiden. Nice, Jack. Yes, come on, Aiden. Turn. Come on, Tristan. Out. Good ball. Thank you. Come on, guys. Out, out, it was. Nothing to see there, Tomas. Wrong. Come on, Tristan. Who is there, Mateo? Don't let him, Mateo. Don't let him, Mateo. Don't let him, Mateo. On him, Mateo. That's it. Good job, Mateo.
Good job, Mateo. Well done, bud. Well done, Mateo.
Even though I think he fell on his own, but oops, unlucky. Unlucky.
Unlucky, Anthony. That's fine.
Come on. Nice, Aiden. Nice, Jack. Nice.
Well done, Jack.
Come on, Tris.
Nathan.
Here. Here, Nathan.
Come on, Anthony. In there now, Anthony, not later.
Oh! Yeah. Oh! Nice bulldog. Nice save. Oh, almost Tristan.
Boys.
Good job, boys.
Boys. Good work.
You didn't go in, Nacho.
Loving it, boys. Good work. That was great work.
Thomas, good job. Nah, Nick. Ooh, where's that?
Again.
Oh, nice try.
Good job, boys.
Again.
Another redo.
Nacho.
Yeah, Nacho.
Beheading. Come on, get it right, boys. Yee! Who's there?
Somebody needs to rebound that in.
Yes, Thomas.
Thomas.
Oh, nice try.
Done, boys.
Good job, boys.
Okay, face that ball now. Let's go.
Okay. Nacho. Nice. Okay.
Come on, Nathan.
Yes.
Your left foot, Nathan, or pass it to Anthony.
Oh, no. Who's there? Oh.
Back in there now, like now.
Okay. Corner again. Good job. Make it count, boys.
Okay, this is a third is a charm. Come on. Let's go.
Come on, boys. Make it happen. Jack's hands up.
Three is a charm.
You need. Oh.
Good try.
Nice try. It's okay.
Good try. It's okay. Good.
Okay. Now come through. Oh. Anne-Marie, I already started it. Don't worry.
Jesus Christ.
Don't stop.
Don't stop, boys. Don't stop.
Yep. Yes, Thomas. Don't let him. Mason. Mason. Cut him off. Mason! Come on, boys. Yes, Tim. Nathan!
Press. Come on, Anthony.
Yes! Nicholas.
Oh, good job.
Now pass!
Pass it.
Man! Mateo is here. Yeah, send it, Mateo.
Over now.
Nice.
Good job, Mateo.
Ooh!
Come on, Anthony.
Nice. Send it again,
Send it
Mateo.
over again, Pops.
Oops. Abo. Good job, Mateo.
Just leave it. Don't
Just
touch
leave it.
anything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, still in it. There you go. Thank you, doll. In. Oh, still. It's still in. Come on, Hayden. That's it. Mason. Send it. Offside or what? Yeah, ball. No, not offside. It was out. Maybe. Whatever. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Thank you.
Send it now, Nathan. Now, Tristan.
Abo. Corner.
All right, boys, let's do this. Get ready for a rebound. Good balls.
Oh, not again. Nice try, though.
That's okay.
Good job, Anthony.
Let's
Well,
go,
calm now.
Mason Artie.
My keys and artists. Good job, Mason.
Let's go, boys. Way to go, Mason and Anthony.
Come on, Nacho. Nacho. Nice. Tristan. Yes, Nathan. Yes, Nathan. McKees.
Come on, pass it.
Oh, no. It's okay. Marcus! Oh!
Good try.
Nice try, McKees. It's okay.
Unlucky. Good.
Almost, yeah.
You're gonna get one. Don't worry.
Wow, run! Okay, Leandro got it. Nice.
Come on, Marquise.
Come on, Marquise! My arties! Thank you, Lee Mateo. Good job, Mateo.
Come on, guys.
Woo, no.
Come on, Nicholas.
Come on, guys. Yes, Jack. Yes. 5 boys. Where's they? Come on, guys.
You gotta work, boys. Work, artists. Work.
Nice, artists.
Well done, artists. Gotta pick up the pace, Marquise. You gotta be first to the ball, Marquise.
No, oops.
Well done, Marquise.
That's
Well
it?
done, Marquise. Well done, Marquise.
Okay, red ball.
Well done,
Red ball.
Marquise.
Good job, Marquise. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta fight. It's not no.
Hold the ball. Hold the ball.
What's that now? Let's turn.
Let's go, Jonathan. Way to go, Nicholas. Good job, boys.
Win this one, boys.
0-0. Keep fighting, boys.
Let's go, Jonathan. Let's go.
Artist, flick on.
Out. Was out. It was. Come on, Jonathan.
Come on, Marquise. Well done, Marquise. Well done, Marquise.
We actually pushed it, so
It's okay.
yeah. Come on. He pushed, they pushed, so unlucky. Come on, Nacho. In ball. In then. Get it in, boys. Come on, 18. Good run, Jack.
Coming.
Yes, Jack. Come on, Archies. Man. Yes. Tristan, pass already. Yes, Nathan. Yes. Thank you, Nache. Start hating. Yes. Come on, Mateo, run! Oh! Oh, my hand even went up. Because the ball went up, my hand went up. Oh, nice try, Mateo. Oh, God. Good crossing still. My hand went up because the ball went. Oh, no.
That's okay. Good intention.
Let's go, Luke. Well done, Nathan. Come on, boys, now.
Now, Mateo. Come on, now, artist.
Back to Mateo. Oh, no.
You should have passed it now, artist. I don't know when to pass, but.
Okay.
Come on,
Look. Oh, gosh. Get sweet. No. Yeah. Still in. Nice.
Back in there, boys.
Nice. Oh, come on, guys. Nice. Aiden. Aiden, good job. Okay.
Intensity, boys. Come on. The new ones that are on should be having great intensity.
Come on, Arties.
Come on, artists.
Yes, Mateo, send it. Nice. Oh, no.
Yeah, Randy.
We can do this, Red. Let's go. Like how much time they stop? Like
He's killing me.
you just laugh, but I know.
You're killing me. Yeah, it's okay.
Come on, let's
Yes.
go. Let's
Yes,
go.
yes, Jonathan.
Come on, Jonathan.
Yes, Jonathan.
Come on, Jonathan.
Oh, the excitement. Don't lose it. Track back. Nice. Oh, come on, Arties.
Hey, Luke,
Oh.
why you guys? You got
Run! Oh! Good job, Jack! Good job, Jack! Come on! Good job, Jack! Woo! That was so scary.
very scary. Come on,
Oh.
Leandro.
Oh, thank you, Jack. Get it out, boys!
Come on, Marquise and Artie.
Send it already! Nice! Look! Who is there? Thank you, Nacho. Okay.
Pass it over.
Archie, send it! Oh no, don't lose it, don't lose it.
Over.
Oh, okay.
Corner.
Corner.
Let's go, boys. Is that your boy?
Coming on now.
That's your boy.
Get it in, boys.
Somebody get it in. Come on, guys.
Welcome on board, Zachary. Good job, Tristan.
Come on, Zach, let's go, bud.
Come on, Jack. No, Jack and Zach. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Yep.
Who plays Tristan?
On your toes, boys.
Yeah, I think it's Tristan.
We shouted him off. We said, good job, Tristan, and welcome, Zach. Yeah, we did. It's okay. I did, and Colleen did. Or your parent did. Come on, boys. Come on, boys.
Legs, let's go.
Way to go, Z.
Come on, Marquise. Oh, gosh.
Come on, guys.
Yes, Thomas.
We need one more. Let's go.
Good job, Jack.
Well done, Jack.
Somebody asked how much time remaining.
Can't be much time.
Probably 5-7 minutes. Get it out, boys. Yes, Aiden. No, not Aiden. Zach.
There's Artis. Artis is there.
Artis, pass, Luke.
In the middle.
No.
Nah, Luke.
Oh no. Yep. Fight, Zach. Nice, Zach. That's it. Oh, come on, boys.
Come on, let's go, Red.
Yes, Thomas. Yes, Thomas.
Let's take it, Thomas. And you can.
Come on, boys.
Come on, Marquis.
Oh. It's all right.
It's okay, Marquis. Shake it off. It's okay.
Clothesline should be okay.
Good job, boy. Okay, heads up. Yes, Zach! Come on, Zach!
No, Zach. Now.
No, don't try to go in. Oh. Man! Nice. Come on, boys. Yes, Jonathan.
Jonathan.
Oh, unlucky. It's okay, Mateo, run! Mateo, run! Mateo, run! Aiden, good job.
Good job, Zayden. Yeah, Zayden.
Come on, get it out! Yes. Come on, Zach.
Way to play the body.
Just win the ball back, boys. Mark somebody up.
Heads up, guys, on your toes.
Mark somebody up and get and clear the ball. That's it.
Get it out, boys.
Get it out. Clear it.
Man! Thank you. Thank you, Nacho. Nice, Zachary. Oh, God, it's coming back. That's it. Good job.
Good pressure, boys.
Welcome, Simone. Who is coming off?
Who just got off? Oh, well done, Thomas.
Oh, Thomas. Good job, Thomas.
Let's go, Jack.
Oops. Apple.
Let's go, Simone.
Come on, boys.
Marquis. Come on, Marquis.
Yes, Luke. Let's look. Run, Luke. Run, Luke. Marker. Yes! Woo! Woo, 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 woo!
Teamwork.
Yes, good job.
We can do it. Teamwork. Great pass, boys.
Good job, boys. Come on.
Create a play and pass a goal. Good job.
Because the ref was asking.
Doesn't matter what it is. Okay, one more forward look nice too. We can
Artis, that's your ball.
another one.
Thank you, Mateo. Yes, Luke.
Come on, Luke, another one. Now.
Nice. Oh, Marker and Marquise.
Go, Marquis.
Send it, Zach.
Send it, Zach.
Zach, send. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Nice try, Aiden.
Nice try, Aiden.
Good job, boys.
Right, Bola?
No. You just give them a head, Joe. Good job, boys.